Hi everyone, this is Srinath, and I'm gonna discuss about the IT service management and professional culture. And my group members are Sainath and Ravinder Reddy. Today I'm gonna discuss about the company name Amazon. It is a US-based multinational company. Its headquarters is in Seattle, USA. The company's main business sector is e-commerce, digital streaming and cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Oh, the week one states about the ethics of the ITSM management. The steps or process that are introduced to deliver the value of customers are known as ITSM. These set of processes are executed with the implementation of moral values as well. Then it's sum up, and it's a adapt adaptive frameworks is its ITIL frameworks. The frameworks such as the ISO, IEC 2000, and the COBIT are in use but are not as popular as the ITIL frameworks. The ethical theory consists of utilitarianism and deono- deontology. The concept of utilitarianism means the end justice that means, and it was pinned down by the philosopher John Stuart Mill in the past. And the dinner is a moral concept. It consists of the ethics and the ethics and this method is highly opposed by the criterias. However, when I implemented, it has proved to produce true and great results. This consists of a contract-based ethical theory and a social contract theory and implementation of the specific rules. The ethical theory consists of the contract based and the character based. The character ethic roles of important factors such as duties, consequences, and social contracts have in the moral system. And this kind of ethic focus on the criteria that is needed to help in the character development and also the equipment, the best character habit that comes into picture from the character trail that they have developed. From now on, Sainath will be taking over.
Hi everyone, this is another team member, and now I'm going to start with the professional ethics. Professional ethics are something that related to the moral ethics and the value implemented for the professionalism environment. This can be that termed as the principles of the governing of behavior of a person, as well as a group of critical business scenarios. And these were laid down with the moral important and individual personal title a personal life, and there are certain moral rules. There are certain moral rules that need to be implemented and the professional scenario as well. The ethical approaches provides the tactic of on how the person should be behave towards the people and as well as the institutions of the typical office section. And these approaches has been encompassed with the cooperate with personal standards, behaviors, and professional accepted in the professional scenarios. And the quality of the life is enhancement is a competitions that is in the professionalism and honesty and etc. And this is known as a ACS code of ethics. Next, next, please. Next slide, please. And uh, these are some of the important roles in the IT, that is data analyst. The main concept, the main role of data analyst is to analyze the required data. The system engineer when then convert to the data analyst, then convert to the give the report to the system engineer. Then the engineer will renovate the data, and then it was confirmed by the software architecture where the software has been implemented there, and whether the software architecture it is just like using the application. So how the requirements, what is the main requirements in the and how it is working, regarding this will be took after by the software architecture. And software architecture again, there are the one more important role is application engineer, where the application engineer will look after the how the engine is working, and where there is any issues can be detected in this application engineer. The role of this application engineer is to determine the mm, rules, and also how the application is uh, working and on it. And next please. IT careers. IT means information technology. Careers are the main most in the demand today. This IT has a most demanding careers, and most of the people are most of the people are interested in IT due to the skills of the frameworks and information age or SFIA depicts or implemented of a system in a place in order to match the workforce skills to require in the business. And there are the seven possibility levels that are dedicated decided to the 90 skills that an organizations into varying categories of the framework. Next please. So this is a IT service management. How the IT service management will be implemented before these are the steps. These are the steps to implement it. The customer entitled to pay. The IT service management is a consisting of different entities such as IT customers, service, and users together. Whole environment, whole environment is in the will look after by the corporate world. There are the four factors that are mainly implemented: the planning, organization, and delivering, operating. Controlling is these are the most important. These are the most important steps to be taken out by the IT service management, where all the things are checked. Planning is how the business should be implemented. Designing is what is the requirement for the business, and delivering means is a require is a user have a requirements in this. Operating is how the user can operate the application, and controlling means controlling has a power where the application system developer will look after this one. And next next will be
Hi,
continue one of my team member.
hi, this is Ravinder. I'm going to continue the remaining part. Uh, the service life cycle. What is the service life cycle? The service life cycle is made up of many different factors that are used to implement the various services in the context of professional organization. These factors are the strategy of the service, design of the service, along with the transition and operation of the service, as well as the continual improvement process. And these factors will have vital importance when implemented in Amazon and are made up with the help of certain governance factors and also contributed by them. Uh, this framework covers six important principles that are vital for good governance of Amazon, which are strategy, performance, human behavior, responsibility, acquisition, and conformance. Next slide, please. Process and functions. Here the process, you can see the opportunities and limits, cost limits, return on investment, and return on value. With the opportunities and units, we'll have a strategy generation, and it defines the market, demand management, also the service, procurement management, and service design. Next slide, please. Process and functions. There are four types: essential management, financial management, demand management, capacity management. What is financial management? Financial management is a very vital function and used to support the IT functions, helping and can help Amazon in budgeting, charging, and accounting functions. And what is the demand management? Demand management deals with the ITSM process, where in the ITSM providers estimate the accurate demand of the service and also helps in the optimization of the resources. And another important aspect which is the capacity management in an ITSM deals with the utilization of the levels of capacity which is based upon the requirements of the demands in an effective manner. And all these aspects will help in effective managing the resources according to the capacities, and allocating tasks to them will help Amazon enhance its business and proposition efficiently. And next slide, please. And these are the references we used. And what I can say in conclusion, ITSM has helped IT organizations changing from being providers of technology to being providers of value creating service. We can't stop here, though. If we offer a 1990s solution to the problem of 21st century, then we will rapidly become irrelevant. Next slide, please. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.